Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled down to end last week on prospects for a peace deal between Russia and Ukraine that could ease global supply disruptions by ending sanctions against Moscow. But losses were limited by a delay in US immediate reciprocal tariffs. Gold prices fell over 1% on Friday due to profit-taking, although they remained poised for their seventh straight weekly rise, driven by fears of a global trade war in the wake of US President Donald Trump's push for reciprocal tariffs. The dollar notched a weekly loss against the euro as a delay in the introduction of trade tariffs planned by US President Donald Trump raised hopes that they may not be as bad as feared, while optimism about the peace deal between Russia and Ukraine helped the single currency rally.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 11 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT. The UK's Rightmove house price index will be released at 0:01 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 10 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.